Hare Krishna. Namaste. Chapter 4, which is entitled as Jnana Yoga, Sloka 1 through 3. Sri Bhagavan Uvacha Imam Vivasvate Yogam Proktavanaham Avyayam Vivasvan Manave Praha Manorikshvakave Bravit Evam Parampara Praptam Imam Rajarashayo Viduhu Sakalena Mahata Yoha Nashta Parantapa Sayevayam Mayatedhya Yoga Prokta Puratanaha Bhaktos Mime Sakha Cheti Rahasyam Hi Tat Uttamam. One more thing, Arjuna never asked or going to ask about Krishna. Then Krishna still is going to talk about himself. And we will see why so. Aham, I, Avyayam, imperishable, Imam, Yogam, this yoga, Vivasvate, to Vivasvan, the sun god, Proktavan, taught in the beginning of Manvantara. So what Krishna says here is, this knowledge that I am giving you is not something new I invented, nor it is to influence you and make you fight. At the very beginning of Manvantara, I taught this to Surya for the welfare of the entire universe. And Surya taught this to his son, Vaivasvata Manu. And Manu imparted it to Ikshvaku. And then royal sages like Aswapati, Janaka, Ambarisha learnt and practiced this yoga, handed down across the generation. So here Krishna said this knowledge of yoga taught to the very beginning of the Manvantara. So Kali Yuga is of 432,000 years. Dwapara Yuga is 864,000 years. Treta Yuga is 3 times of Kali Yuga. And Satya Yuga is 4 times of Kali Yuga. This all 4 yugas combined together is called one Divya Yuga. 71 Divya Yuga makes it one Manvantara. That is 306.72 million years. And 14 Manvantaras makes 1 day of Brahma. That is 4.32 billion years. And that is called a Kalpa. In this 1 day of Brahma, there are 14 Manus get appointed. And we are on the 7th Manvantara, Vaivasvata Manvantara, by Vaivasvata Manu. In In that Vaivasra Manvantra, we are on the 28th Chaturyuga. And we are going to see this is going to create some question soon in Arjuna's mind. Yevam parampara praptam imam rajarashiyo viduhu sakalena mahata yoga nashta parantapa. What happened was, due to the long time that elapsed with the diminishing intellect of the recipient, this knowledge has been lost. Since this knowledge has been lost, Sayevayam Mayatedya Yoga Prokta Puratanaha Bhakto Semi Sakacheti Ragasyam Hiyat Uttamam. That very ancient yoga is told to you by me. Why? Bhakta Sakha. You are my devotee and you are my friend. Therefore, I am giving this Uttamam Ragasyam. Uttamam because this is the same thing is been given in the Upanishads. Which is given in the Upanishads very hard to understand, is very secretly kept. But I am revealing the secret unto you. Because no one else can so easily give this knowledge to you, Arjuna. Some important points that we need to know here. Referring to the yoga, Karma Yoga, which was lost in course of time, which is described by Krishna here as Avyayam. Avyayam meaning imperishable. This is because this yoga is still with Krishna, who is always omniscient. It can also be called imperishable because it yields undecaying result. And second important point to know, whatever is taught at the beginning of Manvantara is going to be common for all. It is not for selected people. When it's been taught at the beginning to the first Manu or the Manvantara, and that's going to be the common message for everyone. The third important point is, in the course of Krita, Traita, Yugas, and so forth, the ability of the intellect, level of practices, etc. will keep diminishing with the passage of time. That's how this knowledge is being lost. But it exists within Krishna. Number 4, due to pralaya, cosmic dissolution, or because of nature of the yuga, should there be a break in the traditional customs, then Bhagavan Krishna alone can restore and promote the dharma, the tradition, not Brahma or any other gods. Because without Krishna instructing them, they cannot know. So that is what's been explained in these 3 slokas. And what we are going to see is coming up is Arjuna's question based on these 3 slokas that Krishna spoke. Imam vivasvate yogam proktavanaham avyayam विवस्वान्मनवे प्राह मनोरीक्ष्वा कवे ब्रवीत् एवं परम्परा प्राप्तम् इमं राजर्षयो विदुः सकालेन महता योः नष्टः परन्तप स एवायं मया तेद्य योः प्रोक्तः पुरातनः भक्तोऽसि मे सखा चेति रहस्यं ह्येतत् उत्तमम्। नमस्ते, हरे कृष्ण।